we've all been in high winds, 5 days of continuous day and night. It would not let up. And finally, we have nice weather. Okay, Spud. Wow, the wind. It's 10:30 at night. And man, the wind has been shoving us around. It's a 22,000-pound motorhome. I feel sorry for these tent campers. Let's see if I can look outside. It's pretty rough. I'm gonna see if I can see what's going on out here. Just high winds. I see my neighbor over there checking things out. Starlink flew in. The next day the wind has calmed down, it's gone. We got that done. We're expecting some really beautiful days here in central Utah. The reservoir doesn't dry up, kind of low. Incidentally, that robin stopped by to see me. Here he is. There you are, you little booger. You're not even afraid of me. Old pals, huh? Well, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. And Cajun left a comment. He wrote, "Robins don't tell the story, they sing it." Thank you, Cajun. We appreciate it. There's more to be done. As a friend of mine in the Navy used to say, turn two. See, this is a beautiful golf course set in the mountain in the valley here. People love this place. Yeah, it's that same robin. But this is a beautiful golf course. It's not PGA, but it certainly is taken care of. People come here, even in bad weather, they out here playing in this golf course. Very beautiful place. Back in my 20s, I played golf in a Navy tournament. My handicap was so bad, I won a trophy. True story. Behind me are these mountains here. There are all kinds of hiking trails back in here. People love it. Sometimes I find my way back in here just to collect golf balls. The golfers hit them up in here and they just leave them there. I collect them and give them to people. Oh, that's a pretty one. Last year, a bear came out of the woods, came down to green number 1. They had the ranger come out and they had to tranquilize him, and then the ranger took him off and relocated him. It's a pretty good collection. 2 Callaways, a Top Flight, a tailor-made, 2 Nitros, 2 Titleist, and 1 without a name. Well, I found this. Remember, only you can prevent wildfires. That's not necessarily true. 85% of them maybe, but the other 15% are created by hot lightning deep in the forest, hard to get to. Those are the worst wildfires. But we get the point. It is a beautiful day here in central Utah, but it is a work day. Thank you for being here. Now it's time to take a little Spud for a run. All right, let's go.